Shumo Baggins here. I'm making a video about the ADA BTC chart and how the 400 sats that Ben Cohen keeps going back to. And, whenever there's a general market correction, he hops on the bandwagon immediately and starts crying out 400 sats again. I'm making a video, and my stance is 400 sats is not gonna happen, and it's still not gonna happen. Okay, I don't care how badly he wants it to happen, it's not happening. This is the ADA BTC chart, and this is the decline from the last all-time high all the way to the bottom when ADA finally broke out against Bitcoin. It took a lot of days. Okay, let's see. It took 798 days. Okay, that's over 2 years. Okay, but ADA finally broke out a few months ago. Okay, when was this? November 2023. ADA finally broke out of this right here, as you can see. Okay, let me make it bigger. ADA finally broke out, and it made a, it went on a bit of a rally. We ran all the way up to 1587 sats. Okay, and ever since we hit 1587 sats, we've been correcting. We've taken a dive basically. And the only thing I can see now is that ADA came all the way back to retest this. You see this falling wedge trend line? ADA came all the way back from 1587 sats to retest it. Now, as you can see, it fell under it for a second, but it held as support. It did hold as support. Okay? It held as support right here. And what are we doing right now? We're bouncing away from the trend line. Okay, so a retest of the trend line of this magnitude is a very, very is a common thing. It's not out of the ordinary, right? So I believe we just retested, and as you can see, we're bouncing from the trend line. Okay, we're not going to 400 sats. We're not. You know what 400 sats is? 400 sats is falling all the way through this falling wedge and under it, all the way down here. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This is off the charts. This is off the charts. 400 sats is all the way here. You see this? I'm sorry. It's not gonna happen. Let me call your attention to something else, okay? Escape. This is the RSI. This is the RSI, and this is stochastic RSI. As you can see, the last time the RSI here hit oversold right here. You see this 20 level? It hit about, what's this, 27 thereabout. What happened to price action? Look up. Look up. What happened to price action? We bounced. Okay? We bounced and we made a high we went from 806 sats all the way to 1587. Okay, that was the last time the RSI hit right here. Oversold. And this was October 2023. Altcoins were definitely still very much in the bear market around October, right? Now, well, this was the move that rallied. A lot of altcoins rallied out of the bear market around this time. Anyway, stochastic RSI, the same thing. We hit oversold. As you can see, it fell under the 20 level, right? Under the 20 level. And we crossed up. We had a bullish cross up on the stochastic RSI. What happened to the price? We rallied from 800 sats to 1587 sats. Okay, pay attention to what's happening right now in the charts. This is the RSI, and what did we just do? We hit oversold right here, okay? And what's happening? The bounce is happening. I'm saying we're gonna make a new high from here in the next few months from this move, okay? At the same time, the stochastic RSI has crossed, but it has to go over the 20 level to be confirmed on the weekly, right? And our momentum comes back in and we make another run, this time much higher than 1587 sats. So yeah, there will be no 400 sats for ADA. Okay, there will be no 400 sats. I don't care how much Ben Cohen says it. It's not gonna happen. It's simply not gonna happen. Not this market cycle, not ever. 400 sats was the low from last market cycle. I don't see us doing 400 sats again, like ever. But yeah, there you have it. I'm gonna continue to watch the charts and make updates. Let's see what the MACD is saying. Let's see the MACD on the weekly. Aha, there goes the MACD. As you can see, the MACD also, there goes the MACD, is turning bullish. Okay, we had a cross down here. Okay, when we started to dive, we had a cross down, as you can see, and that cross has come all the way down here. And what happens? Okay, the MACD, the bars have gone from red to light pink. Whenever it changes from red to light pink, like it did over here, it is indicative of reduced bearish price action. That means you don't have much lower to fall. If anything, you're coming out of the drop. That just happened here too. So this has done light pink. Next thing we need to look out for is for this MACD blue line to cross over the red line, and we'll be on the way up. So all these indicators are fully reset, if you ask me. They are all fully reset. You see the RSI, MACD, and stochastic RSI. And as you can see, price action is bouncing from the trend line. That's 798 trend line. Okay, it was resistance for 798 days. Okay, and from what, if you know about technical analysis, anything that was strong resistance becomes strong support. So price action fell all the way back to the 798-day trend line, and I'm not surprised the price is bouncing from that trend line. It was strong resistance for almost 800 days. It's going to be a strong support now. That's why I don't see prices falling under this line to 400 sats. All right, there you have it. Like, comment, share this video. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comment section. Thank you.